Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the native Shopify Forms app, which can be used to generate first-party data. And as we all know, obviously, we want to create as much first-party data as possible to make sure that we can create personalized experiences, personalized email marketing automation, etc., etc. We want to become, as a brand, a powerhouse to try and understand the customers that we are working for. And with Shopify Forms, you can actually integrate trying to get touch points and information out of your customer throughout the website in a no-code way natively in Shopify. So I'm going to walk you through what is happening when you create a Shopify form. And I wanted to show you really deeply how this can create the first-party data powerhouse that we all want to become as merchants. So I've created two forms really quickly, again with Shopify Forms, the native Shopify app. So you can see on the homepage, I added one of them, which is your favorite book, and then another one that says that you get a certain discount if you say which favorite genre that you have in terms of books. So two real examples, basically, which could be really cool to understand from your customer that you can just add throughout the website. Again, the whole goal is to create an experience and to create trust so that the customer can give you this type of information. But getting this information has never been easier than today. And this is what I wanted to show you. So basically, I will start by really quickly showing the two forms. So basically what I did, I just added the app forms. I created a form myself really quickly, super easy. So you just add a title, you add some content, you say that you add certain fields to the form, which is in this case your first name, your email address, and then a cover that you can upload, which is your favorite book. And then obviously we could analyze which favorite books a certain specific customer has. Additionally, we have the genre one, where you say that you just want an email address and a favorite genre, which is options. So you can just select the radio button basically. So you can see it here, how it looks. And then you create a discount. Also, again, straight from the Shopify backend, you can say if people fill in this form, you create a genre discount because they give their genre in this case, and you just give them a 20% off for a one-time purchase on products in those 9 collections. And the discount is only valid once per user. So again, super interesting. You can give something to the customer in terms of a discount. You get first-party data in, and I wanted to show you because a lot of work has been done in the last couple of months to make sure that all of this data is really linked to the customer so that you can really learn from this first-party data and use it on a customer level to create the experience that you want to create, or again, set up the email marketing automations that you need. So what I just did is I created the forms. And based on those forms, and this is super important to understand, because all of those forms are related to a customer, you will see that automatically, when I go to the customers, customer Metafields have been created. Again, I just created the form, and I said that people could add certain types of information to this form, that form was linked to a customer because I'm asking for the email address of the customer. And then Shopify is smart enough to create Metafields on a customer level so that if customers fill in this form, all of the information that has been added to the form can just be shoved into the Metafield on a customer level. This is from a conceptual point of view. I will now show you how this exactly looks. So again, we have a customer in our customer database already. I'm just copying the email address here. Why? Because if I then add the email address to the front end, this will be automatically linked, like I said, to this specific customer. So let's go and have a look. My name is Sam. My email address is this email address. And I can just add my favorite book, which is this book, to the form, which is quite crazy that you can upload a image, which is quite cool. Again, just out of the box with the Shopify Forms. I can click submit. And then when it's successful, you can just, we can obviously make this better. This is just a demo, right? But you see that you have submitted the form, which is awesome. If I now go back to this email address, because I added this email address, I refresh, then you will normally see that this information has been added, which is quite cool. So you see that a Shopify form submission is linked to this, because if you then go to the form, you can see how many times it has been filled in, so what the conversion rate is of that form. And you can see the real information that that specific customer has added to the form. This means that maybe it's easier to understand or to grasp what you can do with it if we also fill in the form. So let's just go ahead and do it as well. So email address, I say I'm interested in cooking. I submit. There is a discount that I can copy directly, but I also get an email obviously with the discount. And again, so the success message has been shown. If I now refresh, it will understand that I'm interested in the cooking genre, that I obviously can do a lot with in terms of personalization, because you can maybe show a specific collection on the homepage then if Sam is logged in that is specifically around cooking. And you can send him books if new cooking books arrive with Klaviyo or with Shopify email, all from within the customer profile. Basically, what I'm saying is that Shopify is becoming a mini CDP, a customer data platform, because with those mini interactions with forms, you can actually just ask so much first-party data throughout the experience of the customer that you can use to understand your customer better and get more and more data on the specific customer, again, to feed in the personalization engine and to feed in the email marketing automation engine. So this is really exciting. Again, without any code, you can actually really easily get information and data into your CDP within Shopify. Again, it's an easy CDP, it's a small CDP, but it's already a lot of important information that you can gather, again, right out of the box. So there is actually no argument to not do this and try to compound the first-party data that you have on your customers. So I just wanted to show this because it's really amazing that you can create the forms that automatically the Metafields are created to the customer, and that you can start to generate as much first-party data on specific customers as you want. And again, later on, you can use it for personalization on every single sales channel that you have: email, SMS, website, etc. So hope you liked it. Hope this gives you some ideas. Again, this is also very interesting that you just link it to the forms that have been submitted by this customer. So everything is interlinked with each other, which is quite amazing. All of the data is added to the database in Shopify, so you can get to it straight from the admin in Shopify. So it has been doing a lot of potential or work to potentially increase the data structure that you have and the database structure that you have in Shopify. So hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.